Down of this link rack that I built from scratch. This module here is the remote I/O, which connects to this main PLC right here. It's 1500. So this guy's in charge of all the I/O points on this rack. This is the I/O link card, which controls all the modules. We got voltage meter here. We got current meter here that's not hooked up. We have a smart overload relay. When we turn this guy on, he puts power through a couple resistors to trigger an overload, as you can see here with this light triggered. This is a motor starter setup, and it has I/O link module to control the contact blocks that would feed the power to the motor. We have a couple on-off switch here that we can use to control these guys depending on the program setup. RFID switch here controls different levels of access depending on the key inserted. So these use radio frequency. Selector switch for the voltage meter. If we go on the back here, we have another power meter here, distributed 24 volts here, distributed 120 volts here, 24 volt power supply, circuit breaker for the 120 coming in, our two parallel resistors for the front for the motor starter, extra resistor for the smart overload relay. This is the I/O link distribution right here. It goes to these are the 4 points on the front card, yeah, right there. And then these are the 6 devices up here, and then you can change which devices or which channels go where depending on which devices you want to use. And then on the selector switch, this is the back of the selector switch here. We have an I/O point, I/O input output drop here that's controlled by the I/O link head module, not module but the card. And so this controls all the LEDs and stuff on the front. We have all the switches in the back, all the contacts. You can see them go in and out. So I hit the green one on the front here, like so. That right there. And that's putting power to the input. And this is how all of them work. This middle section here is power going to the LEDs in the front. They're not currently on right now, but they can be. And yeah, this is the rack that we built. And this is to help teach a class. It's all Siemens products. Yeah, hope you enjoy.